names in the sand, remembering where we began to see this empty canvas, the future and all that could be. Shadows turning into light, our eyes open wide. When we're together, the world comes alive. Every color shining so bright. The hope that we hold, the story unfolds. Together we find we'll get there one day.
Ayan, pa-receive na lang po. Pinagpawisan si ma'am. Ayan, lapit lang po kayo dito, ma'am. Sige po, pa-receive na lang po ng aming delivery para po sa inyo. Sige ma'am, pataas na lang po. Surprise! Happy birthday po, ma'am! Hilahin niyo po ito para makita niyo po yung munting surpresa para po sa inyo. Wait lang po. Suotan ko lang po kayo ng inyong crown and sash. And hawakan niyo po ang inyong ang inyong bouquet. Hindi naman po obvious favorite niya ang orange. Ayan. Sige po, sunod po ito. Ayan, may pang mabilis ko lang. Ano po, sunod po inyo pa man. Ayan. Happy birthday po. Alam niyo po kung kanino galing yan, ma'am? Kanino niyo hula galing ang surprise sa inyo? Kay Nel po? Sobrang special po ng inyong birthday. Today is your 39th birthday po. Ano po? Sige po. Happy birthday to you. Yan, para malaman niyo po kung kanino po galing yung surprise sa inyo, ma'am. Meron po akong babasahing message po sa inyo. Okay lang po? Sige po. Happy birthday to the most beautiful soul I know. Today is a celebration of you, your kindness, your strength, and your incredible spirit that lights up my world in ways I can't even begin to describe. On this special day, I wanted to know how much you mean to me. Your presence in my life has brought me more joy, love, and happiness than I ever thought possible. You are not just my girlfriend, you are my best friend, my life partner, and my soulmate. With each passing year, you continue to amaze me with your grace, your intelligence, and your unwavering compassion for our families and for others. You inspire me to be a better person every day. And for that, I am eternally grateful. Maraming salamat, Mommy. I am deeply sorry for not being the best person I can be. I recognize my faults and the hurt I've caused you. Please forgive me. As you blow out the candles on your birthday cake, I hope all your dreams and wishes come true. May this year be filled with endless laughter, unforgettable adventures, and travel together, and countless moments of love and happiness. Salamat sa pagiging ikaw, at salamat sa pagpili na ibahagi ang iyong buhay sa akin. Please know that I am here for you always. Thank you for everything. I am blessed beyond measure to call you mine. And I can't wait to celebrate many more birthdays together with our little ones. Happy birthday, Mommy Nice. Here's to another amazing year ahead. God bless you. Love, Daddy Nea. Ano po ang inyong response sa mahabang message ni Sir?
Salamat, maraming salamat.
Nasaan po si sir? Saang bansa po?
Sa Indonesia.
Sa Indonesia. Sana po ay sa munti po niyang pasurpresa sa inyo ay naramdaman niyo po ang pagmamahal at presence ni Sir today, ngayong inyong birthday. Ano pa? Syempre, as we celebrate po your 39th birthday, meron lang po kaming pa-sparkling candle sa inyo, ma'am, sa cake. And magbo-blow din po kayo. Kantahan po natin si Mama happy birthday. Bago po kayo mag-blow, mag-wish po kayo, ma'am. Ano pang inyong wish? Ngayong inyong kaarawan.
Sasabog yan. Oo. Yan sasabog. Sasabog yan. Happy
Yeah! Yeah! Happy birthday po! Blow your candle!
Moments we made, every memory like words on a page. The hope that we hold, the story unfolds. Together we find we'll get there one day at a time. One day at a time. We'll get there one day at a time. When we're together, the world comes alive. Every color shining so bright. The hope that we hold, the story unfolds. Together we find we'll get